Good morning, Ethan.
Whoa, is that for me?
Maybe, but only use it wisely.
Really?
School starts next week. You need school supplies.
Awesome! I can buy everything I need.
Maybe, but be careful. Things are more expensive than you think.
Don't worry, 50's a lot of money.
Is $50 really enough? Can Ethan buy notebooks, pens, pencils, and a backpack without running out of money? Let's find out! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today's story is about Ethan. School starts next week. He needs new school supplies. Luckily, his dad gives him $50, but Ethan soon discovers that shopping is not as easy as he thought. Will he spend his money wisely? Let's begin.
Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Dad.
School starts next week, right?
Yep, I'm excited.
Do you have everything you need?
Not really. I need notebooks, pens, pencils, and maybe a new backpack.
Then I have something for you.
Whoa, $50?
Yes, this is for your school supplies.
Thank you, Dad.
Just remember, spend it wisely.
I will, I promise.
Useful phrase. I need school supplies. Repeat. I need school supplies. Excellent.
Okay, let's make a list. 4 notebooks, 2 packs of pens, pencils, an eraser, a ruler, and maybe a backpack. That's a lot of stuff. $50 should be enough, right? Wow, this place is huge! There are supplies everywhere! Where do I start? A store clerk notices him.
Hello, can I help you?
I'm okay for now, thank you.
No problem.
There are so many choices. This one looks nice. $3, that's good. Wow, this one looks amazing. $8? That's expensive. I'll take the cheaper one.
Useful phrase. How much is it? Repeat. How much is it? Great job!
Now I need pens. $5. Okay, that's reasonable. $12 for pens? No thanks, these should work. Whoa, this eraser looks like a cat. It's cute. $4 for one eraser? Never mind. I definitely need a backpack. My old one is falling apart. $45? What? That's almost all my money. $25. Much better. It's simple, but I like it. I hope I have enough money. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Maybe.
Hello, did you find everything?
I think so.
Great, let's check. The cashier scans each item.
Please be under $50. Please be under $50.
All right, your total is $42.
Really? Only 42?
Yes.
Awesome! That's less than I expected.
Useful phrase. Your total is $42. Repeat. Your total is $42. Excellent!
And here is $50.
Thank you. 50 minus 42. Here is $8 back.
Thank you.
You're welcome, and here is your receipt.
Thanks.
Welcome back. How did it go?
great! I bought everything!
Did you spend all your money?
Nope, I still have $8.
Good job. You made smart choices.
Thanks, Dad. I tried. Everything is ready! Huh, I can't wait for school to start!
Today you learned notebook, pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, backpack, cashier, receipt, total, change. Key sentences. I need school supplies. How much is it? That's expensive. I'll take this one. Your total is $42. Here is $50. Here's your change. Thank you. Shopping is an important life skill. Managing money is important too. And every shopping trip is a chance to practice English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling. We'll see you in the next story.